Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of home page. On the application of Facebook, you will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above, you will search about Facebook app. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Facebook and here you can update your app as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.